Alright guys, on today's episode of Cast Iron Spinner Motor, we have a Kenroy. Right there, Kenroy. Unknown year, early footprint vent, pull chains ripped out of it, but stencil blades, our Hunter original style blade arms, and a low canopy. It's got a really old turtle fitter on it with a snap switch in it. I do not know what year the fan is, but it's reversible. And for some reason the reverse switch is upside down on it. But it's on a 3-speed wall control because the chain is ripped out. So here's the light. We're gonna just dim the light a little bit. And it does not like to run on low, so you'll try to stall out on low. Like that's low speed. Because the pull chain is stuck on medium, so it's trying, it won't. Alright, it's got a medium. I should say medium's already a lot faster. Pick this up at Habitat along with the Emperor. And it makes some bearing noise. Alright, let's bump it up to high. Or I guess what you would call medium on the pull chain. Just got a little wobble. And loud bearing noise. Alright, let's do a very spin down this light all the way. Alright, let's do a spin down. I'm just gonna dim the lights and watch it spin down. Alright, looks like it stopped. Pretty quick spin down. That's all I have.